Greetings, my name is Crawford Peterson, the creator and co-founder of NextGen Family Protection. NextGen Family Protection is a marketing and technology agency that specializes in email automation with high converting content to grow an agency or grow a targeted leads list for an agent. If you already have a customer list, we'll show you how to grow that list too. Our current focus is wrapped around a service provider called Assure for Life. They are the insurance substitute provider for 2022 and will take the funeral assistance plan industry by storm. We at NextGen Family Protection are keeping our agent partners in front of the wave with our innovative strategies supported by automated technologies. How much does a system like this cost, you might ask? Well, currently for free. We will train you to use the system and provide you with free support. With our no out-of-pocket cost for the system, how can you lose? Well, by not contacting us is one. But besides that, if you were to create a system like ours on your own, you could spend upwards of $2,500 just on development and a lot more on that on training and support. Well, we don't ask you for a dime. All we ask in return is that you give us your professional best as we build a business together. Here is a list of a few tools you'll get from us. A personalized website, not replicated, in English and in Spanish. 5 highly targeted landing pages, also in English and in Spanish. A CRM for marketing and nurturing leads, email content already written for you, email tracking for engagement, a multimedia kit for print and social, along with 2,000 emails for other professionals who may want a piece of the action as well. With all that said, don't take my word for it. Listen to a few of the members who are currently using the system.
Hi, my name is Tracy Ross Hines. I'm the leader of Team Easy Funeral for You, powered by NextGen. I wanted to take some time out and tell you about why I decided to join NextGen. I was recruited by the founder, Crawford Peterson, and after speaking to him, it didn't take much to convince me to join. I was really impressed by the support and the great tools that I saw. The marketing packages are best I've ever seen. They come with flyers, banners, business cards, and so much more. Not to mention the great support from the NextGen team. The team that we have is comprised of different people from various industries, and they all come together for one purpose: to support agents like me to ensure our success right away. The NextGen platform was given to me within 3 days of signing up, and I received in that my websites, my marketing tools, back office, and I was up and running. So after 2 days, I started to gain some traction and I signed up 5 agents. I was amazed. I've tried many of companies and I've tried various industries, and I've never had this much success so soon. I'm looking forward to a bunch more success with NextGen, and I hope you will too. Thanks to the founder of NextGen and the NextGen family, I'm looking forward to a long relationship with NextGen. See you soon.
Hi, my name is Tanya, and I just wanted to come on here and share why I think NextGen Family Protection is so great and my experience with NextGen Family Protection. First of all, NextGen Family Protection is a group of like-minded people who believe in family protection through the power of self-employment. And that is exactly what I have experienced since I've been working with NextGen. NextGen, they have offered a lot of tools, a lot of service to individuals who want to start a business. That is what I have experienced since I've been with NextGen, and they have not disappointed. They have been there, to walk you through. They have offered this big, huge arsenal of tools to help you build for free. And I'm not kidding, I mean for free. They have said that they were going to give a website to the people who join their team to become a member in English for free. They said they were going to give a website in Spanish, 1 year of website hosting, 3 customized marketing videos, a video thumbnail. They said they were going to give a business card design, cover for your Facebook business page. They said they were going to give 5 Instagram posts with your contact info, 5 Facebook post designs. They said they were going to link your Calendly account with your websites, and they have actually gone above and beyond that. I'm very pleasantly surprised at the service that NextGen has provided, and I have grown and have learned so much being a part of this team. And I just want to, welcome or encourage anybody who wants to learn more information about NextGen to come and check it out. You won't be disappointed. Hope to see you soon. Peace and prosperity.
This is Joseph Meredith, taking a moment to speak on behalf of myself and my experience with NextGen Family Protection and its founder, Crawford Peterson Sr. Initially, several years ago, in my experience with the insurance industry and helping people as a private advocate through my long career in insurance prior to that, I had started looking for an innovative and more relevant solution, especially since the last 2 years with the pandemic. In the process, I found an established company who for many years had been helping people in a very innovative, cost-effective, and low stressful way in helping people with their end-of-life issues. That company was Assure for Life. In the process of talking with the corporate individuals in that, I was looking for a system with which to speed the assistance of people on a consumer level, as well as even people that are in my peer group as professionals. So then at that point, I came across Crawford Peterson and discussing with him his objectives and what he was already working on. I felt very fortunate to then join forces with him and to collaborate and lend my resources to the development of this platform, which is NextGen Family Protection. Since then, it has been a very rewarding and a very successful journey for me in lending both my background, resource, and expertise to help bring others as consumers as well as business professionals to this platform. And I encourage everybody who's listening to this to at least take a look, even if it's on the consumer side, and additionally for those as career professionals who are looking to further their book of business and to increase the opportunity both in helping people while increasing their income. Thank you very much. Take care and have a great rest of the day.
If you're not in contact with the NextGen Family Protection Agency, you should be if you're looking to explode your Assure for Life business this year. Let's talk to see if there's a good fit. This is ideally for insurance agencies or agents, salespersons, tax professionals, real estate agents, human resources, estate planners, or self-motivated types. And now it's up to you. What are you waiting for? Book an appointment. It's free too.